science. So I'm making the solution right now. I have the half a cup of water, the dish soap, and some salt. Can't see that, but well, I just spilled it all, but that's okay. So I think the instructions said to just mix it. Yeah. Okay. So I don't have any measuring devices, but I cook a lot, so I'm pretty good at eyeballing. So I guess the salt first. I lost some, so just gonna put some there and maybe. Alright, there we go. 2 teaspoons. About that. And then mixing it. We don't want any bubbles to form. So yeah, that's how it's looking right now. There's some bubbles on top. I'm trying to just slowly and easily, or just, yeah, slowly sort of mix together. Let's see what else it says. Okay, so I just gotta stop stirring now. Alright, well, I forgot to pause the video, so this will be fun to be in. We're back. So I got the solution. There's some bubbles on top. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's some bubbles on top. But that's okay. I got my bag. They didn't have any fruit, so I had to get this pre-cut stuff. So basically 2 of them is gonna be 1, and I don't know, I'll get 3 strawberries. Gonna put it in the baggie. And then gonna get all the air out of it. We were just double checking, making sure. So I have my fruit. I have the agent. So now I'm gonna mash the strawberries with my fingers. But you want to make sure you don't go too rough and break the bag, because remember, we had to make this airtight. We don't want anything getting from the outside in, disrupting the DNA extraction. You know, these strawberries aren't the greatest, but I think I read it, you just kind of want to just get rid of all the large chunks, because after I do this, I'm going to pour the liquid in the bag. I'm going to mix those 2 things up. Then we're going to take a coffee filter and set it up with another cup. We'll wait 20 minutes. We'll come back. We'll pour the fruit and the mixture that was that's going to be mixed up. We'll put that and strain that through the coffee filter. So I'm almost there right now. There's still some chunks, but see, and when I have it rolled over like this and it's bubbly, I don't want to press too hard on the bag and the bubbles because it's going to pop the bag. So this is how I have it right now. It's still a bit chunky. I think this is going to be as good as we're going to get it. So I'm going to go ahead and double check. Alright, so yeah, I'm taking the mashed up, putting the and now I'm just sort of mixing it, mashing it up in there, getting it all congealed together. So I guess I should try to describe some of the science of what all this is happening from what I remember. So basically, from what my brain can understand, it's like the fruit and obviously the DNA's in the fruit. Whatever, we get that. So breaking it up and having this dish mixture sort of like brings it out, and as I pour it through the filter, the DNA is basically all that's going to be left of it. So yeah, I see why they said you want to get rid of the chunky bits as best you can. It's pretty chunky. Now, at this point, you just gotta wait. So that's what it looks like right now. So I'm just gonna leave this right there. And we're going to set it up like that. We'll pour, we'll go down, it'll be a great fun time. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Alright, 20 minutes later. I hope I don't have to do this video again because it's a lot longer than I realized. So I'm going to go kind of quick. So here's the filter in the thing. Here's 20 minutes later. You can see that that's all the DNA brought to the top. So I just want to pour it in this thing. I'm slowly pouring this out. Oh, I can see all the like chunky stuff. I'm going to pause at this point. So I had an accident and basically my filters were not strong enough and it just all went through into the cup. So I'm going to try and do this. use this bowl. And then I'll just even this right now is not great. It's sort of just going all over the place now. I see why getting the chunks out is very important. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay. Alright, well, we're going to pause. So the end of this is basically disastrous because of the coffee filters. So we're going to try our best. Got the cold isopropyl. Just going to pour that. Equal parts of the solution. Probably that. And then I don't know if I should use the glass, but it's all in here, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I see all the like bubbles and stuff going away up top. I hope that's a good thing. I'm just slowly pouring in this, oh wow, it's 12 minutes. Yeah, we'll see what to do next. Okay, so now I gotta wait and I'm gonna pull the DNA out, but it's already been a couple seconds and I can already see the DNA forming on the top of this. Let me just show you real quick. I don't know how well. So yeah, we'll be back. All right, so I think I don't have anything paperclip wooden skewer, so I'm gonna try with this little paring knife. So yeah, here we go. Let me bring you up here. All right, just go ahead and grab. That's, I think that's what we're looking for. I'm sorry, I don't know how to do camera stuff. Yeah. Basically, I can go. Oh, my phone's dying. Yeah.